Hello, my name is Yashi Shepherd. I've been working on my Disciple project for the past 6 weeks, and I'll be going through what I've accomplished and the goals that I've set in my project. All right, so I set a couple of goals from daily, weekly, and monthly goals, and my accountability statement is that I strive to become a disciple leader who embodies Christ-like love and intentional growth, someone who uplifts others through daily acts of service and unwavering faith. I want to be remembered as a compassionate listener, a dedicated learner of gospel truths, a faithful friend who helped others recognize their divine potential. And this vision drives me because I have witnessed how small and consistent efforts like Henry Pray's habit from the many cases can transform relationships and deepen discipleship. My why roots in Alma 37 verse 6 that by small and simple things are great things brought to pass. So how I want to be remembered is that I want to be remembered as a compassionate listener, educated learner of gospel truth, a faithful friend who helped others recognize their divine potential. And and the goals I've set here are my daily goals are that I wanted to read um, and study my scriptures 10 minutes every day. And I have been going through that consistently every day. Uh, and I continue to do it because I've seen that it has become a habit and it's kind of hard to let go of it. And I've also been I set a goal effect to walk about 7,000 steps a day using my mobile phone. And that has happened. And fortunately, there is a project that I'm working on where I'm growing some melons. So that counts because I do the education every day. So that's helped me accomplish that goal. And I've been sending an encouraging text to one of my friends. She's in school. And I've been doing that every day. And I've been tracking it with a one in each square. And I've also been doing a focused learning for 30 minutes. So I've been doing this at 6:30 in the morning every day, and that has helped me accomplish my goals. And I've also performed one small act of kindness. So this other day, I set a goal that I would pay for bus fare for one person if I have change, and that has happened consistently. And I've also been journaling my activities in my journal, and I've been recording it on my timesheet. More importantly, I've also been attending sacrament every Sunday, and I've never missed one. Except that there's time I came at 10 past 9, which wasn't bad because I didn't miss the sacrament, but it worked. And I also have a meaningful conversation with an, an accountability partner, that is kindness. I spoke with him and shared my goals, and he was providing consistent and valuable feedback on my goals. And then one monthly goal was to fast with a specific purpose, and one of the purpose was to make meaningful friendships with people. I've had the tendency of just befriending people, and then that is the end as we separate. But then I realized I needed to do that more often, and fasting helped me realize that I can make good friendship that yield to good results. Okay, so I've been setting my goals constantly, and as part of the rubric, it's as goals and tracking. I've shared what you accomplished, but what you wanted to accomplish. So I've accomplished pretty much all those goals. I think in the future, I want to be more intentional in my execution of these goals, especially with sending an encouraging text. Sometimes I found it hard to just send a random encouraging text to people I associate with, but then that's something I can work on and improve because I've realized that people really need to be encouraged, just like I do. And the other part of the project was to the other part of the project was to share what I've learned with accountability. I've seen that if I am accountable, I get things done. Especially when my friend kindness was always checking on me. I realized I have to keep to my promises and stick to them. And this has been so helpful, and I hope I'll continue to be doing this because by small and simple things, great things go to pass. Thank you.